Alright, here we have a Weldotron 5201 L-bar sealer. This is probably one of the nicest Weldotrons you will see in this time and age. At some point it was fully stripped, sandblasted, repainted, all new controls, the entire electrical board, all new relays, all new wiring, all new contactors. It was probably rebuilt by Weldotron itself. There's no way anybody would have done such a good job on it. So it's as close as a new, old, American-made Weldotron is gonna be. So we'll just do a real quick test here. So there it is. It's a pretty decent seal with very minor tweaking. We just mess with the knobs a little bit, but you know, of course you would want to adjust it as much as you can before running a production run, but it works pretty good. It looks pretty good. So you can see it works pretty good. It has the hole punch back here. It also has the fume extractor ducts that somebody fabricated up there. So overall, you can see it's in excellent condition. It's got the triple roll dispenser over here. Then you can see all the super clean, newer relays and all the control circuitry. All right, so there you have it.